Alright, so I found the Auckland conference very informative. It was very engaging. There was lots of ideas and strategies to utilise. I also learnt a whole lot of different ways to find products and how to negotiate and deal with suppliers, and also had the knowledge to be able to understand how Amazon works and what they require from you. So overall, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.